Hasamana. What's going on, everybody? It's me, the Noob Gaming Dad, back at you with some more Warzone, this time a special playlist, the King Kong versus Godzilla playlist that's currently going on Warzone. I don't know how long that's going to be around, but it's fun. Take a look here. Got my first victory playing this game mode. Hope you enjoy it, and keep an eye out for some airplane fails. That's a sneak peek. That's all I'll say about it. Let's get into it.
This is going to be nice playing with the team. I've been playing this pretty much solo the whole time.
Where are we heading here? You heading towards Kong or towards Godzilla?
Let's head towards the mines. The mines is quiet left. Be a nice place here.
Hog is pissed.
Gonna jump into the.
Survive to redeploy fallen teammates and earn points to return them faster.
You got one team going that way, it looks like.
I heard there was
This way.
they put something in this game that if one of your operators is a Kong won't throw any rocks at you. Because it's considered
Vrabel's got to edit that one out.
I was gonna say, I hope we lose this game now.
Oh,
My God, that's gonna be a heck of a freaking.
your Vrabel extra work.
I finally figured out how to do like an actual like bleep, like beep instead of just being silent.
Oh, nice.
It sounds a lot funnier now. Instead of just dead silence, somebody will be yelling and all of a sudden beep.
Nice quiet drop here.
Oh yeah. You want to do some Titan damage, use the Nikita. It freaking rips, you get so many points.
Next objective
Can't even see him.
I got a
Or the
bazooka.
STG, no, the bazooka's not good, too slow.
You've got gas moving in.
We're getting shot at?
Titan Frenzy, can't.
I got muni box.
I got one too. The is this box at?
What's up? Trying to get there.
Gather what intel you need and get out.
That one muni.
Got it.
Intel acquired.
Someone go get that.
Objective is found. Move to the next location.
I got that one. Who's shooting at who?
We're shooting
I'm
at
shooting at Godzilla.
They will tap on him, baby.
Low ammo.
I got a muni box slam back there.
That's true. I got one.
It's highlighted it on the map.
All supply boxes found. Godzilla has been pushed back.
Godzilla dead.
no, he's staggered.
He's hurting.
Can you actually kill him?
No.
Can't kill
So
guys.
does us? Oh no! Oh, yeah, guy's actually here, right here.
I see him.
Down on the ground camos. So, there's two of them, I think.
I have no
I'm-
ammo. I just dropped the box. I dropped the armor box.
Right at that tower, Stefan.
There's three. Whole team.
Stefan.
Get popped in the distance. Oh man.
I can't.
I can't see him.
They're like way over. They were on the side somewhere.
They were back here by
under
green.
Under green.
Yeah, right there on green, and then over
To
here,
your right,
coming towards
to
you,
your
right,
right,
check.
Faceless, down there. Yep.
Right on me.
Right on
Oh,
Broken.
right here.
He's broken. Damn it.
We're down one.
Deploy. One of your allies is back in the game.
Too busy shooting at Godzilla.
And he's up.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone highlighted. Enemy UAV active.
I only have 10 Titan damage.
Squad member
It
is
resets a lot.
redeploying.
Oh.
Guy right here.
Waypoint marked.
Oh, guy up here with me.
Enemies in the area.
The guy right on
Come
green,
on.
so right on green
Right on
candles.
me, right on me,
I
right
got
on me.
I got no ammo.
Right here on blue, blue, blue.
Destination marked.
I can't fight him.
He's on that
I
little
have
coal
guns.
chute. We need a
Still,
load.
Stefan?
No, they were still there. I'm dead.
Um,
I'm gonna try to get this right here.
Does anyone need this?
They are.
There's no loadout,
Oh!
right?
you have to
there
get
are.
one by damaging the Titans.
Intel for Operation Monarch. Reinforcements are on the way.
Maybe we go towards
There's a guy right on me on green. He was chasing me.
yeah, I'm gonna head towards this way.
Setting rally point.
Maybe we can cut them off when they try to run.
Like, no guns. Jesus. Here we go. Here's
Did you go up here already, Electric?
Marked on destination.
Yeah, that's where I just was. Like nothing.
Mm.
Located a supply box. Secure that position. You've got gas moving in.
Got a muni box and an M1 Grand.
Oh, I gotta get close to you guys. I gotta get out of here.
That team still on you? Somewhere on green?
I think I lost them. So now I just have to stay lost.
Oh, they're right here. They're right on me.
Target confirmed.
Alright, I'm coming up the hill a little bit.
Oh, they're all right here. Oh,
By waypoint.
they're at me. They're at me. Oh boy. Yep. Chasing blue.
Guy up here.
I'm gonna be above them. I'm gonna
Broke
have high
him.
ground.
Broke a guy right in this building in purple. Broke him.
Yep, I see him right here.
Hostile in the open.
Downed one.
I just broke one up there.
Another one's coming in to get him.
Enemies in the area.
Back here by green on the tower.
Get out.
Right on me, right on me, right on me, right on me.
Found this muni box down before.
Right here.
Gun,
Come on,
man.
go get that.
Gas is moving, guys. Gas is moving.
What's here? What color are you?
Down them
One of
right.
your allies is back.
They're right on.
Alright.
They're right on green still. Right here.
Still on green?
We gotta
Down
watch
him.
these guys behind us, light check.
How's
They're over by green there.
lasering me from there? Hey, right over here. I'm marking. I'm marking.
Yeah, I'm
broken,
trying
broken,
to-
broken. Red dot.
Downed them.
Nice. Down the other one.
Another one behind them. Nice.
Okay, gas is gonna get them. Gas is gonna get
Objective
them.
lost.
For sure. Yeah, better get him. I got the kill for mine. Oh, there's a guy in front of us, right up here, right in blue.
There's another guy dropping,
blue mark.
dropping back by green.
Okay, he's flying, he's flying.
Gas is moving in.
Let's get that guy.
I need
Where is
need some ammo.
Godzilla has been pushed back.
Oh, we totally missed that Titan frenzy. Yeah. Damn.
We didn't like those guys, huh?
Nice work.
No, they flew in front of us. For
Did you see where that last guy went, K-Mail?
No, I didn't.
Oh man, I don't see him.
let's make our way down this corner. I feel like all the action is the other way.
Scavenger contract located.
Dude, I like the KGM 40.
That thing's money,
It's a
man.
very good gun.
It mows.
I might
The
have to
mags
make a
is
little
small.
class with that.
Yeah, it's a very good gun. I want to try that Nikita gun. It seems like it's a ripper.
I've used it a couple times. I enjoy
Yeah, I
it.
like it. I still have bullshit guns, I think.
Should have gone to the airfield and gotten another airplane.
Oh, we got boys in front of us here.
We're at.
Here, I'm blue. Kind of far away still. Alright, there's ammo and shit here. There's a muni box.
Oh, I can use that.
Ooh, a buy station marker. Here we go. Need that.
I can use a muni box too.
I could use a gun.
Alright, muni box going down here.
Location now.
Someone go get that.
Hey, remember, you're not
Okay,
silenced.
yeah.
That's what happened last time.
I almost got enough for a satchel here if I shoot. There we go, I got my satchel.
Stefan, you want to get this plane right here?
Yes, I do.
Watch out for, Alright, let's go.
I need to fly this thing.
Oh
What
my
happened?
god. I don't know, you're the pilot!
I didn't do anything.
Clearly. Clearly.
I was hitting accelerate. I don't know how to fly it.
That was so good.
Oh, a plane doesn't take off in 20 feet.
Where was I supposed to go with it? I was trying to get on.
Turn around. There's a runway right there.
I didn't realize it actually turned.
Objectives found. Move to the next location. Device spotted.
That's right. I had a hard time too, my friend.
That thing is not flying the helicopter. It's very different. That's great. The general.
But down to 2 shields now.
I have 8. I just gotta. There's another plane here.
Vehicle transportation.
Alright, Stefan, I'll pick you up this time.
Can I hit him with this
Aircraft. That's what I was gonna do.
Hey, you can.
Contract updated. New objective
This thing's smoking or something. Busted. I don't know if you can use it. Oh, I don't think. What the Why advertising?
Yeah, no.
There's a guy on me. I just crashed now too. Guy out here on green.
I see him.
Right here. He's behind this tank. He's shielding up.
Guys up
Yeah, I
on the
gotta-
right.
He's running. He's running to the right. I'm safe if you can come down and get me.
I hit.
Gonna get us a heavy weapons drop here, real.
I hit him a few times. He's still down there. He's running away.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Very well, get you.
Oh, there's
Oh, there's a guy coming. There's a guy right on me now. He came out from the other side.
Oh, get packed up top. Up top of the rocks. Damn.
Heavy weapons coming in here. Maybe some gas masks.
coming over to you.
second chance. Make it count.
Coming in hot.
Oh yeah. Oh no, it's an A. Oh no! Someone's right here. He's on us.
Surgeons is about to
Right here.
Keep your head on a swivel.
I think he went the other side.
Yep. He's right underneath the building here.
Setting rally point.
Yeah, sniper. Someone took the sniper.
I got it. I
There's
got it.
AR ammo here.
Need that.
There's another team farther back.
We're close to getting
I
a
need
load
it.
out here. We got a damage got still a little more. Load.
Oh, I found an SVT.
Guy dropping. Guy dropping right here. Probably towards the.
I see
All
him.
the way down here. Guys in the grass right down here somewhere.
Got him.
And more.
Oh, I need AR. If you guys.
Where
have
are they
it.
at? By that truck?
They were running towards the left.
See if I can get a
I
loadout
have
for us
no
here.
ammo.
I need ammo.
Almost.
I got 4 sniper rounds. That's it.
If you call it a cluster strike, does that do anything?
Alright, got it, got it.
Guys down here too.
Get to the new safe zone.
Good
Gas is
stuff.
closing
Get
in.
that fully loaded, baby.
Yeah, I'll drop my 210 here too.
Inbound rounds located.
They took the car.
Enemy soldier nearby.
Alright.
Someone dropping.
Just dropping
Guy
in.
dropping. I didn't see anything.
There's loadouts down here.
Guys dropping over towards green here to the right.
Watch, get out of that. Kong, you're in Kong's wrath. Just give me a back
Oh.
up.
Gas is right on your tail.
You get that
How
guy?
did he get? He's
no,
broken.
no, no.
He's
There's
broken.
another one right here. Another one in that building. He's running.
Threw a snapshot grenade. There's 2 guys in there.
Got one of them. The other one's right on me.
Let's rush. Let's rush.
No, right here. Come on, help me.
Coming. What the? He's around the corner.
Got him. He might.
Damn it, damn it, damn it.
Oh, is it
too late,
disabled?
too?
Oh, watch this Godzilla
Oh,
shit.
guys. Get down, get
This
down.
gas is gonna pinch us. This is no good. I don't know how close to that you can
Oh,
get without
man.
getting fucked.
I don't know.
Okay, we're good. Woo.
Watch it, though, because you can't walk on it.
Oh, how long does that last? Oh yeah, it's all
Just where
burning.
it's blue. Yeah.
You got a buy right to your left.
I see
Oh,
that.
you out?
Yeah, I'm not.
Here, take my. Here's my cash.
I got enough.
Okay. Alright.
What are you buying?
Okay, I got
Oh,
you,
you still can't
K-Mails.
walk in. Holy
Yeah, man.
Jesus.
Oh, I'm getting looked at to the right.
Okay, towards Kong.
Right here, right on green.
Got him. Got him. Keep light.
I can take his guns. Nice,
Jesus.
nice.
That lasts forever.
I'm looking for a gas mask.
Over here, you might be able
Oh, I
to.
broke my legs. I broke my legs. I'm a jackass.
You can still get your guns down there.
No, they're in the gas.
Barely, I think, dude. You can probably get into that building. Jump through the window. I don't know. Okay.
I just need a couple plates if someone can.
I got 7.
Oh wait, I
Yeah,
got money.
that-
I got money.
Oh, I got looked at to the
Yep,
right.
Kong. Where's Kong?
How do you know where you're getting looked at from? I never understand how you know.
It's
If
the
you have a
high
high
alert.
alert.
Yeah, we gotta move to a very small circle here.
Oh, I want to.
Oh, guys on the beach down here. Blue, blue,
Mark
blue.
waypoint forward.
Right on blue. Oh, he's lighting me
My
up.
way.
I got shots on him. He's running. He's still behind
There's a
that
guy in
rock.
the water.
Look in the water.
Broke him.
Downed him.
Nice.
Guys
on,
to
going
the
right,
right of
going
blue.
right. Guy right over here somewhere.
Guy in the water's dead.
Guy to our right somewhere.
There's a guy back here.
Guy right down
Behind
here.
this rock.
Moving.
Bunch of guys down here on these rocks.
We have numbers, guys. We gotta.
I need
play this
ammo.
smart.
I don't have any ammo.
Here, K-Mails. Here, K-Mails.
Hug the
Here.
rocks here. Hug the rocks on blue, maybe.
They're all on the beach. They're all on the beach right there in purple. I call it a cluster.
To the right. To the right. To the right, K-Mails. Back here. Green. Green.
I'm
Green.
Broke them. Broke them.
Oh, I got two. Team white. Team white, baby. I
I'm
got
getting
him.
sniped. I'm getting sniped. I gotta armor up.
Watch to the right, back here by green. Yep, out that way, out all the way down.
Another guy purple,
He's getting
another
shot
guy
at by
purple.
another team. He's getting shot at by another team.
Guy in purple,
They're,
guy behind
they're
purple.
both over there.
Broke him again. Guy behind purple.
We got
rock.
numbers. We got numbers, guys.
I'm staying right here,
4-3.
Logic, with you.
Right
In
here,
the
right
building,
here.
in the building,
In the building,
in the
yep.
building.
Alright.
They ran into the gas.
Down this guy, downed him. Guy down behind the rock. Alright, there's two guys. There's two guys. They're both right around the tree.
Right here.
Right on the tree. 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 Right on the tree.
Oh, get out of here, man! Right there
I
in front
downed
of me,
one. I
Stefan.
downed
Right in
one.
front.
Got him. Let's
Yeah,
go.
baby! There we go! First one of the night.
Nice.
Playing some cup in the day.
Good stuff.
I'm sorry for my Kong comment in the beginning. Now you have extra work to do.
Oh, Jesus.
Bust out the hot fries.
And you have some work in the end.
Exactly.
That was fun that time, actually.
Yeah, that was a
Yeah,
good
I
one.
like that one.
Dude, the ride tech at the end was dropping people. I like that.
Hey, you got that explosive rounds on it?
Awesome. Guess we're playing this one again.
Good call by the Noob Gaming Dad.
The new gaming dad.
All right, another victory. Can't complain about that. I mean, I should have had that guy at the end, but what can you do? What about an airplane fail? Talk about that. I mean, you got the XT sniper just kind of right off the runway, and then me, I kind of kamikazed it into that guy on the beach. But a win is a win. That's all you can hope for. So thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see ya later. Hatsamana!